we are getting ready to go to farmhouse.
That's how you say it in German.
Farmhouse or something like that.
Farmhouse.
Something like that. I used to take German, but I don't even remember it all. So it is what it is. That was years ago. Oh, so it was 12 years ago. But anyway, heading to farmhouse. Ooh, that
Telling your age.
Anyway, 12 years ago. It was 12 years ago. Oh my gosh.
12 years to finish school.
And I'm gonna hush. I'm going to show y'all what farmhouse is if y'all don't have a farmhouse there. I love farmhouse. Normally we go on Wednesdays because they have the buy one get one wing. I don't eat. Y'all know from the last vlog, I don't do meat with bones in it.
16 wings for the price of 8.
Yeah.
Can't beat it.
And I don't know what I'm gonna get because normally when I go, I get like a lot of different things. Like I'll get a hot dog with chili on it, or I'll get I don't know, other things like maybe a burger, depending on what they have. But I'll show y'all the inside once we get there.
Hit himself. Here we cut himself.
Venison burger. Is it a double patty?
No, it's mushroom.
I'm being fat today.
All my mess makers out there, y'all know how it is. No diddy.
Okay, we have made it back to the house. Clint is running around with Basil. And I got him some stuff from Amazon. Y'all know. He always gets stuff. This is for his Thanksgiving or our Thanksgiving. I think that's it. Boy, give me that paper. So he has, why is it packaged like this? Look at this.
It's vacuum seal.
Oh my God. He has, it's only one vest? Why do I think it came with two? Well, oh, you said the plaid one.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here's him vest. I'm going to put it on him and see how he does, if he likes it. It don't matter because this is his outfit for, This him outfit for Thanksgiving. You get your sweater? Gross. Okay, be back. I'm gonna put it on him.
That's it.
Here's his vest. It looks kind of big to me.
No.
He's fighting the tag. Basil! Look. You look so cute. Oh my goodness. No. It's not even morning. It's supposed to take a morning. It is now Thanksgiving. Basil's so ready to go, making the whining noise. It's Thanksgiving. We are getting ready to head to my parents' house because he can't wait till 2 to eat dinner.
I'm hungry.
So he's gonna eat the meat. I'm gonna wait.
Pause. I'm gonna eat some ribs and some chicken.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna wait till dinner is ready at 2. So we're gonna head to the car and see y'all when we get there. We have made it to my parents' house, y'all. It is 7 o'clock. Basil's doing the most. We have already eaten at 2:30. We've had a nap. Football has been watched. And right now we're about to do some TikToks. So I may have like snippets of that playing here when we get done with it, but it's gonna be posted as a short. So Anthony has made it from Charlotte.
I was heading.
Doink. And father and Basil. Psychopath. So stay tuned for these tiki-takis. I have made it to Target, but if you can see the background, it is 8,000,000 and 5,000 and 2,200. I don't know. People out here. I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging because this is Georgia, Augusta, let alone. And people don't know how to act. This is anywhere, but I'm gonna just get what I need to get. And if I feel like pulling my phone out, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Okay? Because it's ghetto. I came in here for white elephant gifts. So far, nobody has a gift. Not one person. I have things for Basil, of course. Anytime I go to the store, things for the house that I really didn't need. And now I'm in the food section. So, I need to get out of the food section, but I like a good snack. So I'm looking for a good snack while I work. And then we're gonna head to get the white elephant gift. So healthy snack is where I'm headed. I'm getting this for one of the white elephant gifts, and I think I could possibly get like an ice cream maker with a mug, right? I think I can do it. Mugs for the hot chocolate. Okay, I'm back at the mall. I'm going to get the free perfume. So I get like a travel size. I select from these 6. I haven't even went through them all, but what I do know I don't want is the Charlotte Tilbury. No, thank you. Valentino is all right. And I guess I'll just go smell the other ones inside and just select the ones that I want. And then I have the one from last year that I did not get. But the one I really like out of this set is the Juliet Has a Gun. That smells really good. I really, really like that one. So that's probably the one that I get if they have it in stock, because even the tester scent was gone. So you get a full-size bottle. So I'm just going to bring y'all along. I don't know how much I'll be able to record in there because Sephora is a little funny about recording in their stores. But no spending money on Sephora. So I'm going to get 2 of my tester items and call it a day. Going straight to the grocery store, get those meatballs, make them, doctor my husband up because he's a little under the weather, and be ready for this party. In the meantime, while I'm waiting so I don't take a nap and be late to this party that's like 5 minutes from me, I'm probably going to put up the Christmas decorations, but we will see. We shall see. All right, let's go into the mall. All right, and just like that, we're in and out. Got my bag, got my perfumes. I'll show you what they look like in the car because I really wasn't paying attention when they put them in the bag, so I have no idea what they look like. I hope she gave me the right thing. So we'll see when I get in the car. Okay, So I got the travel size of Joe Malone. I have no idea what this smells like. I just got it because I didn't really care. And then I got the full size of Juliet Has the Gun. So it's right. Can't wait to get home and see what the Joe Malone smells like because I have no idea. So off to the grocery store and then home. See y'all at the grocery store. Okay, I have left Publix. Obviously did not just get meatballs. I got cold medicine for Clinton and Basil. I can't go to the store. I see how you moms feel when you go to the store and always get your kids something. Because Basil gets something in every store that I go to that has dog stuff. Have my baby. So, headed home now to make these meatballs. Oh my God, I need a foil pan. I have to go back into the store. Let me check. Let me call my husband to see if we have a foil pan. Hold, please. Okay, y'all can hear the noise in the background. It is the what is that? The kettle. Where am I? That's weird doing it that way. The kettle machine to warm up some water for tea. But this is one of the white elephant gifts that I got. It's an ice cream maker and a mug. This was $19.99. And then this is the other one. It is a s'more set. So I know people in the group like s'mores. I'm not a fan of s'mores. I don't really like chocolate. Stop! The dog. Okay, and then I got the bags to put them in. So one's just like a plain red bag, and then this one is a Christmas bag. Then I got a waffle maker for myself because I can put like my pancake mix in here instead of just having pancakes all the time. I can get a Belgian waffle. So I'm excited about that. Then I got some kitchen this is set pot holder and dish towels. Basil, stop! He does the most. With the little gingerbread man. And then I got another one, the elf theme. So I'll put that on my stove because right now it's empty. Then my husband and I called him to see if we could do hot chocolate movie night. So these are cute, a little set, and then stop! You're biting on my gifts for the white elephant. We can't have it. Then we have Christmas mugs. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. And then, then we have Merry Christmas. These are both $5. I was like, why not? So got that, and then last bag, got Basil some treats, some training treats because we still training. We still learning how to do stuff. Then I got these green, stop. See, we're still training. These green leggings. Because who doesn't like a good legging? I do. These are on sale for $12. They're originally $22. So I was like, I wasn't gonna get them for $22, but I got them for $12. Then these are hot chocolate bombs. So you would drop these into the, he doesn't even bark. So what are you doing? What are you doing? But hot chocolate bombs you put in with milk. So I got those. They have the cutest thing. So I'm excited to use these. And then lastly, I got my snacks for work. My granola minis. So I'm excited about that. Let me put all this stuff up, get his tea, get the white elephant gifts together, start the meatballs because the party starts in 2 hours. Meatballs don't take that long, but I want to have them ready and then just heating in the oven, just staying warm for the party. So let me do that. For right now, this is what I have because I don't have all of my equipment out. But white elephant gifts are ready. The party starts in about 30 minutes and it's like 5 minutes for me. So we're gonna head there in about 20 minutes. 25 minutes. So until then, I'm gonna get the meatballs into their pans and get Basil situated in his playpen when we leave because he's not gonna like that, but it's okay. Come here. Had to jack his butt up, but he knows something is up. He ain't crazy, but he gonna be locked up in that playpen, right? And you're gonna like it. I actually made these, okay? I did.
Oh, you get to open it? No?
Yeah. She got open it. Some baskets.
You gonna keep that shit.
She might not.
Maybe.
First of all, there was a limit. And just so y'all know, she got a bottle of champagne.
Oh, that's some good champagne though.
And you got a washing board. I got 3 cups.
Okay, cute.
Get your shots.
A what boy?
Flight. Okay, I am super exhausted. It is 2:05 in the morning. We are back from the party. Basil somehow escaped from his playpen and my ribbon fell. So we'll be putting that back up tomorrow. But escaped from his playpen and he was waiting on us at the door. So we played the white elephant game. And I ended up getting a crock pot. I already have a crock pot, but got a crock pot, and then I got a knife set, which I was just saying I wanted some more knives, and I got it. So the game was kind of ruthless. The original gift I got, I received was a Stanley cup, a pink Stanley cup. And it got stolen from me in the white elephant group. But it's okay, because I barely used the one that I have now. I don't even know if I've used it yet, but I'm tired. It was a nice outing, but I'm tired. And I'm about to go to bed. So I guess I'm going to close out this vlog. And next week, Basil goes back to his training class, and my girlfriend Shaka has her birthday dinner. So I'm excited to see her birthday dinner. I've never been to this restaurant in Augusta, but that is what we'll be doing next week, and who else knows what may pop up during the week. But that is the plan. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.